Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be giving you a demonstration of a graphing software called Desmos. So this is a web graphing software, and it's a mobile, and you can also download it on your mobiles. So we're going to go on www.desmos.com. It's going to look like this. So if you just want to do plain simple graphing, just press on start graphing. So this is your grid. You can expand it out as much as you want, zoom in as much as you want, and it just keeps on making new grids. It's infinite. Well, I think it stops at a point, but I've never actually tried that. So let's get started with the graphing. So of course, whenever you graph, you need y equals to whatever your value is. So let's try y equals to x squared, a plain and simple parabola. So as you can see, this is a simple y equals to x squared, the base parabola, with the x1 lining up with y1 and x2 lining up with y4. You can also add more of these. So for example, let's say now we want to do y equals 2x squared. We can also add that. And we can add as many as we want. Let's try another one. Let's try y equals to 1x. This is your base slope. So just like that, you can add in as many graphs as you want, remove as many graphs as you want. You can also create your account right here. I'll do one right now. So agree. Let's put in an email address. Let me put in my personal email address. There we go. So now I've made an account. Let's title this graph YouTube video test demo. So we can save it, and we can add as many graphs as we want. Let's look at other ones. So for example, they have these kind of graphs with a tangent. So as you can see, you can make this as complex as you want. And let's try doing one of these. Oh, right here. Let's try making y is greater than x squared, or just y is greater than x plus 4. X, oh no, my bad, plus 4. 4. So, well, the value is still here, x plus 4. As you can see, as much as we zoom out, there's going to be this red line right over here. Let's make another one. Y is less than x plus 4. See, it has been completely surrounded with the blue, with the red and the green thing. The red and the green line. Let's try y equals to x squared. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, it's very hard to play around with this. It's going to be very hard to graph if you're on an iPad or a phone, just because of the way the software functions and works. So if you want to graph on this, I suggest that you utilize a laptop or a computer, as it's going to be much easier. With an iPad now, you're going to need to have really good controlling with your fingers, with your fingertips, because it can be a little hard to work on this software. So just like that, you can graph as many as you want, as well as you want. You can also have a keypad here. So let's just do y. Oh, what am I doing? My bad. Y equals to 5. There we go. A horizontal line. We've made that. And we can expand, put it up, expand it down. Oh, then there's a slider. Let me show x equals to 2 for a vertical line. In this case, there's also a slider. We've where we can move the X line. But this slider is only available from the numbers between -10 and 10. So let's put it at 0. No. There we go. And let's try cubic equation. X cubed plus 6x squared minus 5x minus 8 over 2. So this graphs a perfectly good cubic equation as well, where the graph, as you can see, has one curve here at its turning point, and then down here, and then goes back up. So it's really easy to work around the software once you get the hang of it. But as I said earlier, it's very hard to do this on an iPad or any device as such. So we're just gonna save this. And you can also make some very fun shapes in this. So let's just see. Graphing shapes. Equations. So let's see this one. A heart. Here, why not? Let's try this. Let's remove all of these. You don't need them right now. So this is x squared plus y squared minus minus 1 3 minus x squared y cubed equals to 0. Yeah. Let's zoom in a little bit. This is at the 0. Oh, see, there you go. That's one of the shapes. Let's try making this flower. Or no, let's try making an easier shape. Oh, I can see that. Here, let's just change the direction of this. Let's do x 4, y 4, 4. Y x 9. See, I've just made a different shape.